Now we are going to solve this question. This question says that Hamid has 3 boxes of different fruits. Box A weighs 5 by 2 kg more than box B. Meaning box A weighs 5 by 2 kgs more than box B. Okay, this is our first equation. The next it says box C weighs 41 by 4 kgs more than box B. Box C weighs 41 over 4 kgs more than box B, and we have been given total weight of the boxes, which is 195 over 4. Total weight of the boxes means A plus B plus C is equals to 195 over 4. How many kgs does box A weighs? We have to find the weight of box A. As it has been asked that we have to find the weight of A, we will convert B and C in terms of A. We are going to write B and C in terms of A so that we can put C here and B here. So from here we can get the value of B as A minus 5 by 2, and from here we can get, or we can write it as 2A minus 5 over 2, and from here we can get the value of C is equals to B. B is 2A minus 5. That is 2A minus 5 over 2 plus 41 by 4. This is C equals to, we got the LCM 4. It will be 4A minus 10 plus 41. C is equals to 4A plus 31 over 4. This is C, this is B. From here we can put the value of B and C in this equation. Okay, so we can write it as A plus B is 2A minus 5 over 2 plus C is 4A plus 31 over 4, and this is equals to 195 over 4, or we can take the LCM 4. It will become 4A plus 4A minus 10 plus 4A plus 31 is equals to 195 over 4. This will get cancelled. This is 4A 12, that is 12A minus 10 plus 31 is plus 21 is equals to 195, or this will go here. Then we get the value of 12A is equals to 174, or A is equals to 174 over 12, which is equals to 29 over 2. Therefore the weight of box A is equals to 29 by 2 kgs or 14.5 kgs. This is our answer.